In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thread in Zoho Cliq. Threads are a fantastic way to organize your conversations and keep related messages grouped together, making them both easy to follow and efficient to manage. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to start threading your messages like a pro. Let's get started by focusing on the message you want to thread. First, take a moment to find the specific message in Zoho Cliq that you'd like to organize into a thread. This is the message where everything will start, forming the base of your new thread. Simply hover your cursor over the message. When you do this, you'll notice several options appear, providing you with different ways to interact with that message. We're interested in the Reply in Thread icon. It's usually represented by a small, curving arrow or something similar, acting as a visual cue that you're responding directly within that message. Once you see the icon, go ahead and click on the Reply in Thread option. Now, a new dialog box should open where you can start typing your response. This is the space where your thoughts and ideas designed to follow up on the original message can be entered. Whether you're asking a question, providing an answer, or contributing additional thoughts, you're setting the stage for a focused discussion that remains distinct within its own little space. After you've carefully crafted your response, it's time to share it with the others in the chat. Simply press Enter if you're on a Windows keyboard, or Return if you're using a Mac. Doing this sends your reply, officially making it the beginning of your new thread. Every response you add is another layer to the conversation, making it richer and more insightful. Of course, creating a thread doesn't mean stopping with just one reply. If the conversation continues, you'll want to keep adding to it. Thankfully, Zoho Cliq makes this easy. After your initial response, you'll notice a reply button appears right below your threaded conversation. When you're ready to add more to the discussion, all you have to do is click on this button. This opens up another spot to type and send additional messages, allowing you to keep the flow of communication neatly grouped within that thread. And there you have it. You've just mastered creating and managing threads in Zoho Cliq, making it easier than ever to keep your conversations organized and meaningful. By using threads, you're not only improving your own workflow, but also ensuring that everyone else stays on the same page, which is invaluable in a busy digital environment. Keep practicing, and soon enough, threading will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy threading.